I am down here at the Mississippi River Valley. Right here is the Mississippi River. It's about midnight or so. February 21st going into the 22nd. We got a snowstorm going on right now. It's about, I don't know, 15 degrees or so. It's a beautiful night. Come along. Right there's my German Shepherd Lobo, my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. I thought we'd try shooting this clip without the flash to see how it works. The snow was kind of interfering with it, so I thought I'd see if I could get a little better footage without it and compare the two. Let me know. It's an absolutely beautiful night. I love the energy down here when it's snowing. Especially now around the witching hour, eh? What? People down here at the campfire. How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Oh, enjoying the weather. Beautiful night.
Yeah, awesome, huh? Come with dogs too? What are these guys? Are they huskies?
The ones, the black one is a shepherd mix, and the other one's a long-coated shepherd. This one.
We thought they were wolves till we saw you. Yeah.
It's a good spot for a fire. When I was a kid, we used to have a tree swing over here off of the cave embankment over here. We used to go over the river. It was pretty neat.
Nice.
Take care. Again, it's a nice spot for a fire. We used to do that all the time. That's that cave I was talking about with the tree swing. Hey, buddy. Somebody's dog. Come on. Kurgan, come on. Playing. I know. Stop it, Lobo. I think we'll head out this way and take the trail down into the river valley by Fort Snelling. Come on. Kurgan, stop it, no mounting. that your dog?
Yep. That's the old guy.
I didn't notice him when I came by the first time. Nice.
That guy's huge.
Lobo, play nice. Okay, have a nice night.
Yeah, take care of it.
Come on. Boys. Come on. Good boys. Away. Well, you have to tell me if you like clip 1 with the flash better or clip 2 without the flash. I think I probably like it without the or with the flash better. You can see all the snow that's falling right now, which I don't think is probably going to show up without the flash, but it's beautiful both ways. The snow is sticky and Lobo's got long hair between his toes, so oh, that dog followed us. Lobo's got long hair between his toes, and so when the snow is sticky like this, he gets little ice balls he has to pick out. I usually put musher's wax on his feet, which prevents that, but I guess I didn't think the snow was going to be as sticky as it is right now, or I would have done that. It doesn't bother him. He just stops periodically and picks them out. Doesn't happen to Kurgan. See, that's what he's doing. Again, there's the mighty Mississippi. Absolutely beautiful night. Man, the snow is really coming down. Come here, Bo. Come here, Bo. Lobo. Kurgan won't let us get a shot, I know. Big camera hog. Boy. Well, I think I'm going to end clip 2 here. If you made it this far, thanks for coming along. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that little notification bell by the subscribe button if you want to get email notifications when my new videos come out. To all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And to everybody who's been here along the way, thanks. I appreciate your support. That's all. Bye. Bye from Mr. Lobo and Mr. Kurgan. And again, let me know if you liked it better without the flash or clip 1 with the flash. Bye.